12?
12 what? 12 years old, right? The eye. The eye was, the left eye was taken out when?
About 12, yeah, correct. 2 months ago.
2 months ago.
Chinese New Year.
And no discharge, nothing, no scratching, no infection.
Very good.
Only day said the mother didn't work. Okay. This Pekinese had lung tumours, that's why it's been coughing for the last few days. You can see the white nodules here. It's an old Pekinese. So this left of the normal lungs, or almost normal lungs, is black in color. There's no more blackness here. So you see the ventral dorsal view, same thing. They're all the lung nodules, and only a bit of the lung space here, so some air. Here the air is normal, so that's why the dog is coughing and coughing. So painkillers and anti-inflammatory. It's 13 years old. This dog had the eyes, left eye enucleation without problem.
You still need the big box.